What's going on, guys? My name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. I know that the markets have been down a lot recently. Today, I wanted to give you guys a few stocks that I'm looking at to pick up on sale. Now, just as a note before we go further, these are just my opinion. These are stocks that I like, and I encourage you to do your own research and try to come to your own conclusion about the stocks and make a decision for yourself based on your needs and your portfolio. So first is AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices. Why am I buying AMD? First, they have some of the most advanced and powerful chips in the world. They've clearly overtaken Intel as the leader in processing chips. And they're using the most advanced chip technology available that some of their competitors are not using. And they are widely used in everything from gaming consoles to cloud computing. The last reason is Lisa Su. Their CEO is brilliant and a very pragmatic leader. As you can see in the chart, AMD has come down from their all-time high of around 99 to about 82 now, and I'm going to start buying a little bit at a time. Remember, I always buy a little bit at a time and don't invest all at once. The second stock, PayPal. The reasons I'm buying this are pretty simple. The online payment space is growing, and more consumers are comfortable shopping online than ever before. They also have Venmo. Venmo, as most of you know, is one of the leading peer-to-peer payments app. And PayPal is just beginning to monetize their users on Venmo. And my final reason is that they have started to adopt cryptocurrency. They've allowed their users to buy and sell cryptocurrency and get that money back in PayPal. So I view PayPal as a great indirect way to play the surge going on in cryptocurrency. Again, as you can see, the stock here was trading at its all-time high around 310 and has since pulled back to around 257. I'm going to start buying a little bit at a time here. The third stock is Bloom Energy. There are a few reasons why I like this company. The first is that it's a great green environmental play. And the current administration in this country is really pushing the green initiative. So I really like that space, and Bloom is one of my favorites within it. They have a product that runs on natural gas with a byproduct that is water. The cost to use this machine is equal to or less than the power from the grid. Almost all data centers, which are some of the most energy-intensive buildings in the world, run on Bloom Energy. They have the capability to fulfill large energy requirements with a small footprint. And again, here if we take a look at Bloom Energy's stock, it traded at a high around $45 and is now trading at around $27. So again, here I'm going to be looking to invest a small portion at a time and start buying slowly. In a future video, I'll go further into detail as to how I pick the companies that I like for investing and how I research them and how I choose those investments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about business and investing, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and let's head on over to the next video.